Hello students, welcome back to the computer class. In the last class we have started with chapter number 4 and we have completed till spacebar key. So what we have studied in the last class? We have studied about alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. And in the special keys we have studied about spacebar key and caps lock key. So today in this class we will be studying about enter key, arrow key, backspace key, delete key, punctuation key, and combination key. So these are the different types of keys which are present on the keyboard. So we'll start with enter key. What are enter key, students? Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the computer screen. For example, if you have completed a sentence and you want to come to the next line, with the help of which key you can come to the next line? Yes, with the help of enter key you can come to the next line. And there are two enter keys which are present on the keyboard. Can you see these two enter keys? Two different shape of enter keys are present on the keyboard. Now after enter key, let's see what is arrow keys. Arrow keys, again, what is the function of arrow keys? There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard and it help us to move the cursor on the screen. Arrow key help us to move the cursor on the screen. See, these are the 4 arrow keys. Can you see the up direction, down direction? Yes. So this is up arrow key. It moves the cursor in up direction. Down arrow key will move the cursor in down direction. Left arrow key will move the cursor in left direction. And right arrow key will move the cursor to the right direction. So there are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard and there are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Now after arrow keys, let's come to the backspace key. Now I repeat, what is the backspace key? What is the function of backspace key? Backspace key help us to erase the letters to the left side of the cursor. To the left side of the cursor. It help us to erase the letter on the left side of the cursor. And next is delete key. What is the use of delete key? Delete key help us to erase the letter on the right side of the cursor. Right side of the cursor. So what is the difference between backspace key and delete key? Backspace key help us to erase the letter on the left side of the cursor. Left side, backspace key. And delete key help us to erase the letter on the right side of the cursor. Okay, so this is the difference between backspace key and delete key. Now after delete key, let's come to the punctuation key. So what are punctuation marks, students? Punctuation marks are special symbols that are used while writing a paragraph or a sentence. These symbols bring clarity in language. For example, if you want full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma, any punctuation mark, you can get it with the help of which key? Punctuation key. See, punctuation key, can you see the punctuation marks? These are the punctuation keys. Full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark. So these are the punctuation keys. Now after punctuation key, the last one is combination key. Now what are combination key? Combination key are used in combination with another key for doing a particular operation. For doing a particular operation. And there are 3 examples of combination keys. What are the 3 examples of combination key? Shift key, control key and alt key. What are the examples of combination key, students? Shift key, control key and alt key. So these keys are used in combination with the other key to perform certain operation. So the first is shift key. What are shift keys? The shift key is used to type special symbols and punctuation mark present on the upper part of the keys. Present on the upper part of the keys. For example, if you want an exclamation mark, how will you get the exclamation mark? You can get it when you will hold down the shift key and press the key number 1. Together you will get the exclamation mark on the screen. Now one more function of shift key is it helps us to type capital alphabets in capital letter when the caps lock is off. In the last class we have studied that if you want to write anything in capital, you need to switch on the caps lock key, right? But Shift key help us to write any alphabet in capital when the caps lock is off. Now after shift key, let's come to the control keys. What are control keys? Control keys are marked as CTRL. They are marked as CTRL. Now if you press Control plus Home, the cursor will move to the top of the document. And when you press Control plus End, it will move to the end of the document. See, Control plus Home will move to the top of the document. Control plus End will move the cursor to the end of the document. Again, the same function. See the Alt keys also. They are also used in combination with the other keys. For example, if you press Alt plus F4, it will close the program. The program in which you are working, it will close the program. And when you press Control plus Alt plus Delete, then it will shut down the computer. You have to remember this, students. Control plus Alt plus Delete will shut down the computer. Alt plus F4 will close the program. Control plus Home will move the cursor to the top of the document. And Control plus End will move the cursor to the end of the document. So with this, we complete this chapter. So you have understood what is keyboard and the different types of keys which are present on the keyboard and how they will function. What is the different function of the different keys. So we'll be meet again in the next class. Till then, I'm giving you the assignments. You'll complete your assignments in your copy, and you'll complete your exercises in the book. Okay, students, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.